So hello everyone. So I was creating this Figma design about a crypto app. As you can see on your screen, this is the crypto-based UI design app. Uh, if I scroll above, you can see here clearly. Let me keep. See, this is our navbar. This is our hero section, and I have added few effects. If you can see clearly in ellipse mode, this is our gradient, this is our navbar here, this is our hero section, this is our featured section, and this is our testimonials. This is I have named it car down, that card type, and this is our footer, like and this is a small footer line, and this was a UI design which I worked on recently. Now it's okay. So this was the design. Okay, so this was the design on which I was currently working on. Do let me know your thoughts on the design. Also, I have uploaded this. See, let me show you. See, publish. When I click on publish update, it's because I've just moved something. So its name, please note it down, its name is Web3 website design. I will also provide the link of it in the description. You can check from there as well. Okay, and if you want, you can use my plugin into your your own parts, and if you want me to make a tutorial on it, I can definitely make one for you. If you want, then let me know. Also, I have just posted a video on my portfolio, which is I have made. Check it out. It's a very it will teach you a lot about React, and if you are interested, do let me know. I will definitely make tutorials in the near future if you guys want. It totally depends on the demand. If you guys would want, I will definitely make the tutorial. So I just wanted to show you all, this was my first official project on which I was working on it, and do let me know your thoughts on the UI design. What you guys think about this crypto one, Web3 Figma UI design, and do you want to see more? Do